JP, my one and only love, gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa'yo sa lahat ng sakripisyo at pag-aalaga at pagmamahal mo sa amin ni Sally. Palagi man tayong nag-aaway sa paningin ng iba, at least nagkakayos at nagkakaintindihan tayo. At yun naman ang importante.
Sobrang nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon dahil binigay ka niya sa akin. Sa halos 8 taon nating pagsasama at ngayon, magiging panghabang buhay na.
Kahit ikaw yung taong masungit, mayabang, tignan, pero yung puso mo punong-puno ng pagmamahal.
Salamat, Han, sa walang sawang pagmamahal, pag-aalaga, at pag-iintindi sa akin.
Para sa akin, naniniwala ako na ikaw ang destiny ko. Simula nung una kitang nakita, naramdaman ko yung spark sa paligid. Ang gwapo mo kasi noon, sa bagay hanggang ngayon naman.
Sa kabila ng lahat ng kasalanan at pagkukulang ko, hindi mo ako sinukuan. Sana hindi ka magbago.
Love your husband and be a good housewife. Persevere in faith, love, and holiness. And JP, love your wife as Christ loves His church and live with her in the holy fear of the Lord. Now that you have received the holy sacrament of matrimony, I admonish you to remain faithful to one another.
Take a walk in the park, holding hands in the dark, steal a kiss beneath the stars. My heart beat fast as I looked at you.
Grace, wear this ring as a sign of my life and loyalty.
JP, wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty.
My love will never fail you. My arms will always save you. I will make you mine.
Mary Grace, do you take JP here present for your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
I do.
JP, do you give yourself to her as her husband?
I do.
And do you accept her as your lawful wife?
I do.
Girls, ginuman na! Woo! Damihan natin! Cheers!
We got caught in the rain. Just trying to figure out.
Tagay para sa ating group.
Cheers!
See, I don't believe in chance. I think it's the choice we make. And I choose you for the rest of my day.
To my husband, JP, first of all, ang gwapo mo today. Itong regalo ko na ito, fans, kasi simula nung nag-OFW ka, hindi mo naisip yung sarili mo. Palagi na kami na binibilhan mo ng gamit. So, naisip ko na yun ang wedding gift ko para at least practical. Magagamit mo sa lakad mo at sa atin. I love you. Thank you, Han, sa regalo mo sa akin. Kasi naisip mo na hindi ko na nabibilihan yung sarili ko. Dahil pinaprioritize ko kayo. Bye-bye!
Han, itong kwintas na ito, simbolo ng pagmamahal ko sa inyo ng anak natin. I love you. Wow! Thank you sa regalo mo. I love you.
My love will never fail you. My arms will always save you. I will make you mine. I swear to always fight for us, and I swear no one can touch this love. Oh, I will make you mine. You are all I'd ever need. And you
May God the Eternal Father keep you of one heart in love for one another, that the peace of Christ may dwell in you and abide always in your home.
Amen.
May you be blessed with your children, have solace in your friends, and enjoy true peace with everyone.
Amen.
I will make you mine. I swear to always fight for us, and I swear.
Pinapangako ko sa iyo na iintindihin at aalagaan at mamahalin kita hanggang sa pagtanda natin. Till death do us part, I will always love you forever and ever.
Pinapangako ko na mamahalin, aalagaan, poprotektaan, at iintindihin ko kayo ng anak natin. Maraming salamat, Han, sa lahat ng sakripisyo mo sa anak natin. Ikaw at ang anak natin, kayo ang buhay ko. Han, mahal na mahal na mahal.
Let us once again welcome into our fold Mr. and Mrs. J.P. Pasalo. Give them a big round of applause.